to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a super quick video about the Wotherspoon's 1/97 hybrids, which are dropping this Saturday the 24th of March. Now it is a limited drop, but not as limited as their first drop back in November. So there are a few places that are going to be stocking them, so I want to tell you those places so that you guys have a chance of getting a pair. Some places are running raffles for them and some of them are in-store lineups. As far as I know, there are 3 spots that are doing lineups here in Melbourne. So it's SNEAKERBOY, Hype DC, and pretty sure FOOTLOCKER. I'll list all the places where you can cop them in the description bar below. There are also a few places that are running raffles for them, and it's JD Sport and SUBTYPE, and also check out Nike online on the day of the release because I'm pretty sure they're going to be dropping them. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the design of the shoe because they have a really good video on Nike's channel where Wotherspoon talks about the design and the design process and how he came about the shoe. So it's very much inspired by the 90s and vintage Nike, and the corduroy was inspired by old Nike caps, and the shoe is designed to be worn in, so the more you beat them up, the better they'll look. In terms of sizing, they fit true to size because they have the Air Max 1 sole and the 97 upper, and this retail for 230 Australian. These shoes feel super cozy when you have them on because they have this very plush velour lining. But anyway, if you want to see what the shoes look like, let's go ahead and unbox them, and I also have them on feet, so let's go. Video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I've linked all the places where you can enter raffles and where you can cop them in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. I really hope you guys get a pair, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye! Okay, I'm done. I have a flight to catch. Bye bye.